zufrieden, wir sind nicht glücklich. Wir wollten nicht diese Niederlage, aber wir wissen auch, dass nächste Woche wir haben andere Chancen und wir haben klare Ideen.
This is Alonso, assistant coach of the Atletico de Madrid football club. Here speaks towards the next match on the La Liga Santander. As he said that the players are well prepared, and of course most of them are fit and they are physically fit. For sure, they are waiting for their opponent. They just want the points. They just want the huge support from the fans. In fact, here this assistant coach, Alonso, speaks to so many things towards the match. He uses to say that it's going to be one among of the difficult match due to the fact that the league is just going to an end, and every club wants to have the incredible performance so as to finish the season well. And here the head coach says they have responsible to show their of course the greatness. They have also responsible to show how sharpness they are in La Liga Santander. It should be quite clear that Atletico de Madrid is just one among of the best club and one among of the greater club in Spain. They have taken maybe the three stage. They are the top three best clubs in La Liga Santander, starting by Real Madrid, Barcelona Football Club, and Atletico de Madrid. And of course, he uses to say that they have a great responsibility to